Hi guys, we're back again, R&R Quality Control Services. We're carrying out a pre-completion inspection for one of our trusted clients. And I'm just going to take you through this inspection just to show you some of the items that have been picked up today. So with the kitchen, I've just gone around and marked up all of the substandard paintwork, clearly showing the builder what he's got to rectify. Okay. The washing machine was tested, deemed compliant. Also, the dishwasher was run on a cycle, also just to ensure that it was working for the customer. But on review of the pipe work to the dishwasher and the washing machine underneath the sink, we've experienced some leaking to the pipe work, which has leaked out into the base unit, and they need to install their labelling for all of the services, including the stopcock. There's also some damage to the back panel of the kitchen unit. The cooker extractor fan is quite loose, that needs to be rectified. Also, the finish around the sockets is quite substandard. As you can see, the plastering and paintwork is really atrocious. Moving into the WC. So the WC work, the substandard work to the paintwork walls, and some shrinkage cracking is visible that the builder is going to have to rectify. Also, behind the basin pedestal, there's a excessive gap, and the vinyl flooring is lifting, and the mastic seal behind the mastic ceiling behind the basin pedestal is actually non-existent. Poor work. What I've noticed is there's some protruding nails within the architraves around the door frame, and also the builder has installed the extraction for the bathroom. Normally you would switch the light on and the extractor will turn on to release all of the steam out of this area. But on inspection, the only way to turn on the extractor is from the isolation switch, which is incorrect. Some making good needs to be done around the null post and the ceiling. As you can see, there's some extensive shrinkage cracking and some poor quality plastering works that needs to be rectified. Smoke alarms and fire alarms have also been checked and deemed compliant to move in. Taking you into the living room area, which I've stickered up just to show the builder the substandard sort of paintwork and shrinkage cracking. So what we do at R&R Quality Control Services, we ensure that we go through thoroughly and sticker up all of the substandard work. So moving upstairs, so going into the ensuite bathroom. So as you can see, the shower controls are not level, putting a level on the shower controls, and also the tiling's damaged around the shower control feed. The toilet system is loose. That needs to be installed correctly, and the vanity unit is hanging off the wall. the toilet roll holder is loose, and the mastic seal around the perimeter of the floor is damaged, and that could potentially have water find its way underneath the vinyl, and it will blow, and the vinyl flooring will not be adequate for that. The vinyl flooring is lifting behind the base and pedestal, which needs to be rectified, and also the service pipes have not been installed correctly. Just looking behind the toilet system, as you can see, there's been no mastic seals behind the toilet system, and screw cap covers needs to be fitted correctly. And as you can see, the substandard work to the skirting line that needs to be rectified. Protruding nails on the architrave around the door frame, which needs to be rectified. Just going into the bedroom 1 wardrobe, as you can see, there's major damage to the ceiling line that needs to be rectified by the builder. And there's damage to the walls and ceilings, which we've marked up. There's a lot of shrinkage and cracking to the skirted miters that needs to be rectified. And then if we move into the bathroom. So the bathroom area, again, substandard plastering work to the walls and ceilings, which we've identified today. There's no door stop that's been installed to the door, and now the door is clashing with the towel rail, so the towel rail will be damaged if that stays like that. So the builder will have to fit a door stop or floor stop. The actual frame to the bathroom, as you can see, is damaged. It needs to be repaired, and there's a lot of shrinkage, cracking within the ceiling lines. Moving to bedroom 2. Again, shrinkage, cracking within the ceiling lines that needs to be rectified, and there's various elements of the paintwork that needs to be rectified, as they've given us a substandard finish. Just moving into the last bedroom, which is at the front of the house. So the boxing top, there's a lot of shrinkage visible that will need to be rectified. As you can see, the internal corners are all cracking now that the heating's come on. Various bits of the miters to the skirting lines need to be rectified, and they're trying to give us a substandard finish there. And then, as you can see, the bead line of the upstand is all cracked. It needs to be filled and rectified. And then moving out to the hallway, where we've sticked everything up. A lot of shrinkage, cracking within here. A lot of substandard work that the builder's going to be, that builder needs to rectify. Just moving downstairs, as you can see, front entrance door hinges, really poor finish that needs to be looked at, and then also on the walls, there's some damage to the walls architraves, skirtings and the like. And yeah, so that's a brief sort of outline of the various elements. Outside in the garden area, the turfing has not been laid as yet, and also the slabbing needs to be cleaned, and also all of the drainage covers